Hi, and welcome to the first video blog post for Media Planning 1.0. I thought I'd give this a try. I haven't ever done this before, and I have the iPhone flipped around so I can actually watch myself versus not knowing whether or not I'm showing up in the screen. So I wanted to take the opportunity to talk about targeting and what it means to have a target and what some of the other terms around having a target for your media plan, because not everyone is familiar with how they're defined and why they're defined the way they're defined. So a target audience is basically the consumers that you're trying to reach with your advertising message. Traditionally, historically, the way this is defined is usually first by gender, so women or men, and then following an age group. For example, women age 18 to 49. And there are certain prescribed age groups, and this is because the way that Nielsen reports television ratings historically has been along what they call Nielsen breaks. So we have to find a way of defining whatever our target is in those terms, especially if we're going to be using television or something like that. If you're going to go beyond TV or beyond radio, you can get much more specific, especially if you're going to go online. You can start adding things like household income, or how many children they have in the house and how old those children are, or if they use a particular product, or if they use a particular industry category, whether they are lotion users or they like to eat, frozen chicken. You can add all of those things to it, but that's what your target audience is. And then the universe, which is probably another term you might hear, is the total size of that target audience. And again, Nielsen tells us, how big women 18 to 49 is. It's usually about 67 million people. And we can go into some other of our syndicated research programs like MRI to kind of give us a general sense of how many people might be, women 35 to 54 with kids under the age of 12 and a household income of 50,000. So those are some basics around target audience and universe.